Hi everyone, I'm Jacob Smith, and today I'll be talking about my life learning experience as a fitness coach. So, getting started, I received my certification to be a personal trainer back in September of 2019, and I was able to flip right around and get hired at Gold's Gym as a fitness coach. October of 2019, I decided to pursue 3 extra certifications to increase my knowledge, but also my marketability so that I can reach out and be more appealing to more individuals to help them on their fitness journey. In August of this year, I decided to get certified as a Gold's Fit coach, which allows me to teach or to coach large CrossFit classes. And then over the last year and a half, I have developed a ton of skills to help me stay organized and stay on track as I work with multiple clients each and every week. Observation and reflection. Looking back, I was able to realize that I developed a passion for fitness at a young age and a passion for helping others at a very young age, which led me to combine the two and to be a fitness coach. Over the last year and a half, I was able to reflect back and realize I have very strong people skills. If you don't, you're not going to be successful as a coach. Strong people skills, being able to carry on conversations and build great relationships is going to lead to success in this field. Reflecting back, it also hit me that it took me a while to learn how to work with large groups. I was so used and so comfortable with working one-on-one with individuals. When I had to force myself to break out of that box and that comfort zone and start working with large groups, it took me a little while to get comfortable with it and to learn how to go about it. And then since I've been coaching, I've been forced to go through a lot of situations that help me learn and adapt. Looking back, I'm very grateful for those situations because it's made me a better coach today. Abstract concepts and generalizations. Being a good coach requires great organizational skills. It requires time management, being able to keep up and keep track of people's paperwork, all your clients. The ability to research and apply, because you deal with people that have limitations. You need to know how to work with those limitations. And then again, having a strong ability to talk to people. Coaches need to have that. You need to be you need to be a people person. Another thing is you need to understand how to develop athletes for their specific goals. Not everyone has the same goal. So being a good coach, you know how to program for different types of goals. You also need to know how to motivate and push athletes. Competitiveness is a big part of an athlete's life. Knowing how to push them and keep them going is the most important thing. And then again, reflecting back up, you need to know how to program, schedule, and you need to know people's limitations and how to work with them. Application to new situations. I know that moving forward, I will continue coaching large groups of athletes and individuals because I love helping them grow and I want to help people better themselves one day at a time. I know that I will apply my past, reflecting on my past, I know that I will continue to apply myself to increase my knowledge so that I can help coach people of all different backgrounds and all different limitations. And then even looking back, especially as I now coach large classes, human beings crave competition. And I absolutely love it. And I'm a competitor myself, so when I don't compete, I get to see it every day in class whenever I have my athletes compete with each other. And I've noticed that when people compete, results are greater. And then constantly pushing others to compete and give it their all spills over into my life as well in many ways because it gets me amped up and I want to continue competing in my life and continue getting better in my life as well. And then the documentation that I'll be using for this life learning paper is all the certifications that I've received. My certified personal trainer certification, senior specialist, behavior change, and corrective exercise certifications as well. Thank you.